Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? I think right now you are heartbroken. Maybe you are in separation with this person. Three of Swords. But you are healing. Yes, you are overcoming this pain. You are healing. For some, you are in the process of healing. In near future, you will heal completely. So let's see your reading. Recent past. The Moon, King of Cups and Two of Wands. There are some illusions between you and your person. Some disturbances between you and your person. Yes, they have love for you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. But here one person have options in this connection. And you're also thinking about this person a lot. But there are some issues between you and your person. Maybe your person have options. Maybe for some it could be third party situation involved. It could be anything. For some there are a lot of illusions. Misunderstandings between you and your person. For some it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Then present Five of Cups, High Priestess and Ten of Wands. You are feeling sad for something, for someone. And you are listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. And Ten of Wands. You are feeling overburdened due to family or work responsibilities. Or in this relationship, maybe you only the person taking care of this. You are taking the responsibility of this relationship. Maybe your person is in and out of your life. That creates overburden in you. But you are listening to your intuition. Then future. Yes, present is little disappointing, but future looking very, very positive. The Sun, Ten of Cups and Nine of Cups. A beautiful offer is coming towards you. It could be a new person. For some it could be a past person. It depends on your situation, but there is positive is coming and happiness is coming. The Sun with the Nine of Cups with Ten of Cups. Wow, very, very beautiful cards and major arcanas. Definitely there is wish fulfillment for you in near future and happiness coming and very positive shift is coming into your life. Maybe right now you are going through separation. For some your past person may be coming back. For some a new person which is very, very responsible may be coming for you. Yes. For some children also involved in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Pisces. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. What's going between you and your person. Or Aquarius also. So let's see their feelings. I think your person is thinking about you a lot, but right now they are stuck. They are guarded up. Maybe they have options. Yes, Seven of Cups. They don't know which one has to choose. That's why they're feeling stuck. For some, your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. Right now they're guarded up because they have to make decision. Right now they're in some confusion state, but they are thinking about you. Yes. For some, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. But definitely your person thinking about you a lot. That's why they're confused. So let's see their intentions. I think lot of drama, a lot of issues going between you and your person right now. Yeah, they're missing you, they're missing your presence, and they're thinking about you that you are their empress. Maybe they're scared for rejection. And Ace of Swords, there is communication and clarity is coming. Maybe they want to give clarity to you because Ace of Swords, communication with clarity, and Wheel of Fortune, maybe they're waiting for right time to approach you. Divine timing. Yes, to be honest, in near future, maybe I am not seeing very particular action, but for some, there will be some communication in near future. Ace of Swords with Wheel of Fortune, again it's in divine timing. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Excuse me, guys. Sorry for the interruption. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. So I am not seeing any proper action, but for some you will receive some communication, some clarity from your person. And yeah, right now they're confused, that's why they're not going to make any move, but they're thinking about you a lot. Yes, King of Wands, they want to make action, but it will take some time again. And King of Pentacles, maybe they're going to be choose you. For some, Six of Cups with King of Pentacles. For some, you person want to marry you, they want to offer stability to this connection. And King of Wands, they're going to be make action, but it will take some time because right now in action cards lot of drama is going. They have options. Yeah, communication and clarity is coming. For some, you both have age differences also, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius, could be mutual tower movement. Yes, you both Seven of Swords. For some, trust issues between both of you. You are not trusting this person. Maybe in past they cheated on you, lied to you, because Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy. That's why maybe they scared for rejection. That's why they're not making any move. But after getting their strength back, for some they will make a move, they will make action. It depends. For some it depends because everyone's situation is different from others. But they are thinking about you a lot for sure. But there are some trust issues also between you and your person. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. And you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. If you are worrying about your person, maybe you are in long distance relationship, this is the message for you. They are safe. And you also. And your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. If you want to achieve anything in your life, first you need a practical plan. This is the message from Moon Oracle decks. So let's see some messages from your person end. Right now, you're both undergoing some tower movement. You both want each other, but for some new person entering your life, maybe for some you will choose them also, new person. Mask, yes, because Seven of Swords is there. Reconciliation. Please wait for me. True love. So the messages from your person and Mask, reconciliation, please wait for me, true love. For some it could be true love between you and your person, and they are saying that please wait for me. A reconciliation is coming if you are in separation. For some there are some trust issues between you and your person. Maybe your person wearing mask. Maybe for some your person not expressing their feelings to you even though they love you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.